Hello everyone and welcome to Smart Repricer Basic Learning Series. Today we are going to talk about our templates. What are the difference between our templates and create your own? What are the things that you can make some arrangements with your special requests for your inventory? We are going to explain our templates. First of all, from the dashboards, when you click strategies, click create a strategy and you will be able to see our templates and create your own. First of all, what are our templates? How can be beneficial for your inventory? Let's get explain this. For instance, if you want to use Profit Booster, one of our users, increase your sales 35% in the first 2 weeks. Or one of our users, Balance Enhancer or Sales Booster, for instance, our users get buybacks much more often when you compare before using Smart Repricer, such as 35 much more buybacks percentage owner or 35% buybacks owner. But even though the reason why we have called our templates, which I'm going to use configured words. What is the meaning of configured words? First of all, it doesn't matter that you have a FBA kind of product type or FBM. These are already configured. So you don't know what will happen when you have the buy box or when you have if you are the only seller, when you are competing with FBM or FBA, you will not know what will happen if you use Profit Booster. How you can learn, for instance, what kind of price changes they are doing for your inventory if you are using ready templates, which is these ones, you need to work with repricing history. So your repricing history section from the dashboard side, it is going to be your helpful guide. Why, for instance, every price change has been explained on repricing history. For instance, first example, this product, for instance, has dropped my price is 40 cents. And the reason was that every price change will only tells you I change your price because of this. For instance, on this example, the Smart Repricer have changed my price and dropped my price because there is no user in the list who won the buybacks. Which means we can think like this. If I use Sales Booster, if there is no user in the list who won the buybacks, it's gonna drop my price. Every explanation, and it is also a question on our custom templates. What does that mean? For instance, let's say one more time, one of the example. Again, my price has been dropped like 50 or 60 cents. And the reason was there was no user in the list who won the buybacks. Don't forget, the price change reason, it is also a question on custom strategy. So if you don't like this price change, for instance, if you want to increase your price, if there is no user in the list who won the buybacks, which means that you need to create your own rules. Because on the create your own rules from such an instance buybacks, I will be decide if there is no competition for an instance, I can gradually increase my price every 24 hours. Or let's say if I would like to enable velocity rules for my inventory, such an instance, for example, if I have a product and if I am selling less than one per 1 week, I can make 5% discount for all of the products I have from custom strategies. Or if I would like to decide or revert when I have the buybacks, for instance, I would like to raise my price based on competition. You can do this from custom strategy. But one more time, the repricing history works with our templates. So you will be able to see why your drive is changed all the time. And if you are not happy with that, the system will tell you, I change your prices because that was the reason. For instance, let's get look at another example in here, why my prices increase. So for instance, the system will tell you are using Sales Booster because that's why I have increased your price. Don't forget, you will be not able to see why your price change after 3 days. Until 3 days, you will be able to see why your price change. If you want to revert it, you can make some adjustments. But for the wrap up, in order to explain one more time, as you can see, I have custom strategy, I have balance enhancer, profit booster. One of them is custom strategy. I created myself because I would like to reward something. But in general, profit booster, sales booster, balance enhancer is always gives me good results. But there will be a time if you are not happy any repricing history for your products. Such an instance, let's get look one of the random examples, and let's get take this ASIN. Let us, for instance, this one. Let us look what are the price changes for these products and why specifically changing like one direction. Let's get click listing from inventory, for instance, and let's get take this as in, and let's get click the repricing history, and then the system will tell you one more time, I changed your price 3 days, 2 days, 1 day ago, and that was the reason. So one more time, if you are not unhappy any repricer changing or any repricing history, and if you see that you want to revert it, don't forget, which means that you need to look at the what was the reason and how we can revert. So basically, always and always, you will be able to learn why your price changed, what was the reason, and how you can revert back. The Smart Repricer will explain to you by I change your price because there was no user on the list who won the buybacks. And you will be able to see all of your price changes depending of the competition, depending of the like velocity or the other triggers. Don't forget, repricing history will be very helpful all of your inventory. That's all. The biggest difference between our templates and our create your own, if you want to have a special request such as I would like to increase my price when I'm competing with FBA and I don't want to compete with FBM products for my FBM products, don't forget, create a custom strategy. But if you don't have any specific rules or if you don't have any specific approach for your product, you can start to use Sales Booster, Profit Booster, and you can start to activate it in 15 seconds if you choose Inventory Integration Sales 65 Bundle Power if you like. And when you review your strategy, it only takes only 13 seconds. But if you want to make readjustments, always and always look at repricing history, understand why your price has been changed, and revert it back from the custom strategy.